Hello and welcome. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to mint a AR cube as an NFT. Um, and you can see here this is an AR cube, and if you send this link to your phone, you can place this in your room. You can also share it, and that will also be able to put it right in your room straight from Twitter. Um, this is what the final product's going to be. I just exported a blank scene. I'm sorry, a standard cube from Blender. I put a material on it and a small little animation, and then exported it as a GTLF GLB file. So once we get that file, we can just come straight to Orbix 360 and under the Create New tab, if you scroll down, you see we have AR tools. If you choose the converter, you can then select that GLB file and, and then click Convert. And it takes a few seconds to actually turn that into a USDZ, and then we're going to wrap it and then mint it. So you can get a preview here of what it's going to look like. And this is actually a good time to just take a real quick screen capture of it so that you have that. Whoops, sorry. And then from there, we're just going to click back, and we can just click on, if you wanted to download the USD, you could, but from here you can just click Mint AR NFT, and it's going to load a zip file up with that file already in it. And then you're going to bring in your image, the one that you did the screen capture of. And then just go from there into the regular, asset name. You can leave collection name blank if you like. Select the category, and go ahead and mint it. And it's really that simple. The final product, like I said, would be an AR this AR cube, and you could put it for sale for the marketplace, or what do you have? Thank you very much.